Children, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Had your breakfast?
Yes, sir. What about you?
Yes.
Yeah, I had. How do you feel today? Okay,
Good, sir.
fine. Let us learn a new topic: banking transactions. Please check your textbook. Refer page number 8.28. 8.28. Having textbook, right? Students are having textbook, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you seeing the board clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, banking transaction. Whenever you are facing a problem, you have to inform
Yes, sir.
anybody.
It's clear, sir.
Here we have to learn reason for debit and credit as per British approach and American approach. British approach means traditional approach. American approach means a modern approach. You can adjust the space accordingly. If you want to keep the book in the horizontal way, that is best because we need more space. Line will be lengthy a little bit. For each transaction, we are keeping on getting the answer with the explanation according to old and new concepts approach. First, question and answer simultaneously. Writing so many questions and starting the answer, that is not advisable. First, cash deposited. For opening bank account. For opening a bank account, we have to deposit some cash. You know, the minimum balance requirement is there, 1,000 rupees. Some banks are specifying that minimum 5,000 rupees. Without depositing something, is it possible to open an account, children?
Yes, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Okay, here, journal entry, reason as per old traditional approach, reason as per modern approach. Okay. I think you wrote this question, transaction. Means transaction only.
Yes,
That's a
sir.
journal entry. Cash is going from our business. Our bank balance is increasing. First, you think about modern approach. That is very
Bank
easy.
account debit to cash.
So when you are writing journal entry, what I suggest, you think about modern concept. That is very easy to remember. Pass journal entry accordingly. Reason as per the modern approach. After that, you think about British approach. That means traditional approach. Okay, bank account debit to cash account. See like this. Here, first we are writing reason as per American approach, international approach. That's the reason why we are debiting bank. Asset is
Sir, as per modern approach, sir.
yeah, first column as per modern approach.
Debit receiver, sir.
Modern approach was the only 5 things: asset, expenses, liability, capital, revenue receipts. It's very simple. Increase or decrease, you know. Increase or decrease.
Increase in assets, sir.
Yes. So I am putting this up arrow. What's the meaning of this up arrow? Increase or decrease?
Increase.
Yes. In that way, we can save the time. We can do more practicals so that you will be more confident, more happy. Increase in assets. That also use shortcut ASS. It's for us only, right? In exam, you write complete description, increase in asset. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Cash account. Why you are crediting cash? I request everybody to sit on the camera.
Decrease in asset.
If it is possible, switch on the camera. Accountancy practical only. I have to assure that you are in the class. Okay, decrease. Which symbol we can use? Up arrow or down arrow? Down. Yes, sir. As per model.
Down arrow.
Perfect. As per the modern concept. Last column, as per traditional approach. Bank account, why you are debiting children? The account traditional approach, accounts are how many types? Not 5, only 3. Personal account, real account, nominal account.
Account, nominal account.
Yes. So what is it? Bank is a person. Why? All institutions, SKV school is a person, hospital is a person, okay, artificial person. That person is receiving money from us, isn't it? That person is a receiver. So we will write debit. What's the rule? Debit also we are using shortcut DR.
Debit receiver.
Wherever you can use shortcut, please use. Because we learned this shortcut before us. Okay, why we are crediting cash? Cash is a real account, right? All assets are
Credit bonds. Credit bond goes in.
yes. Credit means here only. What goes out? Credit what goes out. Okay. You may be learning only 5 transactions, but learn with maximum explanation and confidence. Okay. So we are demarcation. Next, question also we are writing. We are not giving more importance any formalities. We can cross this line for writing question. Cash, number 2. Number 2 on the cash withdrawn. Page number 8.28. 8.28. Cash withdrawn. So in that book, cash withdrawn, that much only. So that may misunderstand some student. Cash withdrawn for business purpose or personal purpose is not given. In that case, we have to assume that cash is withdrawn for business purpose. No other way. Cash withdrawn for business. We are putting like this. No confusion. We are crossing this line. No problem. Okay. Cash is coming into the business. Cash withdrawn from business for business means cash is withdrawing from where? From the bank. From the bank. So from the bank, our balance is decreasing. And in business, our cash balance is increasing, isn't it? Am I right, children?
Yes, sir.
When we are withdrawing money from the bank, our bank balance is increasing or decreasing? Decreasing.
Decreasing.
Decrease.
When cash is coming to our business, cash in the business is increasing or decreasing?
Increase.
So
Increasing.
what will journal entry? According to modern approach, we will write cash is increasing. Increase in asset will be debited, right?
Cash account. Bank account.
Yes,
Cash account
correct.
debit to bank account.
Correct only. Cash account debit. Okay. We are writing journal entry, keeping in mind modern approach. So what's the reason? Increase or decrease? Asset, expense, liability, capital, revenue. Increase. Increase in
Increase in asset.
what about this? Bank. Increase or decrease?
Decrease in asset.
It's okay. Then according to British approach, I mean traditional approach, or we can say old approach. Cash and bank both are real account, right?
Yes, sir.
But bank is considered as not real. Bank is a personal account. Cash is real account. Bank is personal account. Bank is a person. Hospital is a person. School is a person. Human beings are also person. Some persons are natural. Some persons are artificial. Cash is real account. So in real account, what is the principle? Debit. What?
Debit what
Yes, correct. Debit. What?
comes in.
Bank is a personal account according to British approach. The rule we have to follow. Rule is debit the receiver, credit the giver. Here we will use debit the receiver or credit the giver.
Credit the giver.
Okay, writing below this will create problem. I have to erase this. By the way, I would like to ask you, did you complete this? Can I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Second, write number 3. Number 3, cash withdrawn for personal use. Cash withdrawn for personal use. You can say the journal entry according to now then. What's the journal entry? For personal use. Okay, when cash is withdrawn for personal use, cash is not coming to the business, cash is coming in the hands of the owner. Owner is withdrawing money for his personal purpose. For what purpose we don't want to engage? Personal. He will not give the money to business. He will take it. He will use it according to will and principle, not for the business. Maybe for buying a car, or buying a building, or paying school fee, or hospital expense. That we don't want to bother about. Cash is not coming to the business. When owner is bringing money, what is the journal entry? Opposite of this. When owner is bringing money, started business with the cash. What is the journal entry?
Increase in cash and capital.
Yes, cash and capital. What will be the reverse? I will come to this journal entry after some discussion with you. When the capital is introduced, cash account debit to capital. When the capital is withdrawn, so we may be thinking that opposite. What is opposite of that? Opposite journal entry.
Decrease in
Journal entry. Journal entry.
capital debit to cash account.
Yes, that is a picture coming into our minds. But in accountancy, that entry is not allowed. Instead of capital, temporarily we will debit drawings account. I told temporarily. So at the end of the year, we will close by transferring to capital only. Why? We have to know how much is the drawings by the owner. That's the reason. So instead of capital, which account will be debited? Drawings. Drawings means withdrawal.
Drawings.
We are debiting drawings account? It's a temporary account only. Finally, we will transfer to capital account only. The reason we have to know how much is our drawings done by the owner in an year. To know easily. Otherwise, we have to check the capital and we have to search where are the drawings. So to avoid that difficulties and time wasting, we are temporarily debiting in drawings account. Drawings account debit. Cash or bank?
Thanks.
Bank account. Bank.
So we are. So the easiest way to pass journal entry is American concept only, modern. You will get the answer very immediately. Okay. According to American concepts, what is the reason? Increase, decrease. That's all. Even though it is drawings account, this belongs to which family? Capital family. Okay. It's temporary account only.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So increase in capital is credited. Decrease in capital is
Debited.
yes, very good. Decrease means down arrow. Increase in drawings means a decrease in capital. See, that question is somewhat intelligent. Decrease in capital means a. Are you thinking, children? Decrease in capital means a.
Debited.
No. I'm presenting that concept in a different way. Decrease in capital means a increase in drawings. In reverse, what also we can express. Increase in drawings means a decrease in capital. Objective question you can express, children.
Decrease in capital.
Yes. Objective question. Note down that objective question. Increase in drawings. Please note down that very important objective question. Increase in drawings means dash. Very important objective question. Increase in drawings means dash. Fill in the blanks, just like fill in the blanks. In bracket you can write after the dash. What is the answer? Decrease in capital.
Decrease in capital.
Capital.
Increase in drawings means decrease in capital. So that's an important objective question. Okay. To bank. What's the reason, children? To bank. Why we are crediting bank?
Sir, because you are withdrawing, sir.
This is bank
Yes.
account, sir.
Yes, very good. Bank balance is decreasing. What it all is correct only. It's a decrease in,
Reducing.
yes, decrease in assets. According to American concepts, these are asset only, right? Bank account is asset only, right? Am I right? Decrease in assets.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very easy to understand according to American concepts. But as an accountancy student, you should be very familiar with the British concept also. When you go for higher studies, that knowledge is very important. Don't ignore. I know it is not easy to remember like that, but by practice, you will become more fluent. It is compulsory also. Okay, tell me, according to British approach, that is traditional approach, why we are debiting drawings? Once again, drawings belongs to which family?
Debit.
Capital. Capital is a person. Capital is a person. Capital is a person. That person is receiving. Capital is a person. That person is receiving. Am I right?
Receive.
Yes. So, what is
Yes, sir.
a person? Capital is a person. That person is receiving money from the business. The money deposited in the bank is also business money only. Am I right? Yes. That person is receiving.
Yes, sir.
What we can
Yes,
write,
sir.
children? What's the rule? Debit the.
Debit the receiver.
Yes, very good.
Debit the giver. What goes out?
Correct. Kaushali already told the answer. Bank is a real account. All assets in modern concept is a real account in old approach, except two things. Do you remember that? Debtors and prepaid expense. That's another objective question. Those who are interested,
Prepaid.
smart accountancy student, you can mention whatever objective questions you are getting. And for your information, CBSE is thinking about increasing the number of objective questions, just like in foreign countries. In foreign countries, number of objective questions are more. Even for CA also, around 70 to 80% is objective questions. What may be the reason? A student having in-depth knowledge only will be able to write the objective questions. So whatever objective questions you are getting, note down somewhere in the notebook. Formality note down somewhat seriously, putting some color. All assets as per modern approach are real account, except dash. Fill in the blanks, except dash. What's the answer? Sundry debtors and prepaid expense.
Prepaid expense.
Anybody want to write? I will give time. Are you interested? Anybody is interested to write that question? Do you want time?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right.
Sir.
Yes,
Very
sir.
important objective question. All the assets as per modern approach. All the assets as per modern approach are real account in traditional approach, except dash. All the assets as per modern approach is real account as per traditional approach, except dash. So better to present except dash and dash will be more meaningful. Dash and dash. Okay, what is the answer, children?
Sundry debtors and
Sundry
prepaid
debtors and
expense.
prepaid expense.
This kind of objective questions is very important. When you are getting something from the class, not done seriously. Okay, that is objective question. So your bank is not sundry debtor, it is not prepaid expense. Normal asset only. So credit what goes out. You already told the answer. Credit what goes out. Credit what goes out. Okay, credit what goes out. That time. That's it. What's the fourth one in our textbook? Payments by check to a creditor called Rakesh. We have to explain, not like that.
Payment by check to a creditor.
Here we have to study very well with the complete explanation. Payments by check. Payment by check to a creditor in bracket Rakesh. அதே போல பேரு போட்டிருக்காங்க, அதில் பேர் போடணும். Children, can you take the image of the class by using your mobile phone or laptop? Print screen. If you are using laptop, take print screen. Better to take the image by using your camera phone. Please take it. So did you take image? Take the photo.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how do you feel about the class? You have to inform to school. Not every day, sometimes. 1 or 2 sentences. So what you will write? Kausi, what you will write? Neha, what you will write? Bindu, what you will write? In 2 sentences. If there's a problem, inform me first.
It's easy to understand, sir. Better than speech,
Okay.
madam.
Okay, you write that and along with the image, you write that. Write in notebook and take the image of that also. 2 images, you please upload in our +1 commerce group, sir, you know, +1 commerce. +1 commerce group,
Yes,
WhatsApp.
sir.
So Indu, what you will write?
So once again, sir.
What is your opinion about this teaching by using board? Is it okay comparing to sharing screen? Your opinion.
Yes.
So,
Yes, sir. Yes.
so
Board is
right.
okay, sir.
Write 2 sentences. What you are going to write, Indu? Write in notebook and send the image to your WhatsApp group. So what you will write?
Sir, but more than this screen, before you share a screen, sir, that will be better than this, sir.
Okay. You can speak to Madam or Suresh sir. We will manage accordingly. If I am getting instruction from the school, I will. You know. If anybody is feeling good about the board,
Fine, sir. Yes, sir.
okay. Then if you have any problem, you speak to me. If you are feeling that it is okay, you send the message to WhatsApp group. How Neha is feeling about this class?
Yes, sir.
Neha is there, no?
Sir, it is easy to understand, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, if it is okay, only you have to send the. So take the image, Neha. You take the image using camera and write your view in notebook and
Yes,
take the
sir.
image. Upload these 2 images. If you are facing any problem, just like Indu told, sharing screen is better. That we will discuss. If you are feeling it's okay, please upload your views in WhatsApp. So you will be doing now, right? After the class, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Not every day, not every day. Sometimes. And it is every day. So if you want to teach by sharing screen, that Indu you can speak to anybody in the office. Suresh sir, Jones sir, you can speak to Madam also. Okay, Indu? Indu, are
Yes,
you hearing?
sir.
Okay. So just I am asking your opinion. Is it okay or not?
Yes.
Whatever the problem, we are ready to solve. We are trying
Yes,
to
sir.
we are going to make you happy, happier and happiest. I don't have any objection in sharing screen or using board. Okay, I think time. What about time?
I have one doubt in the today's test, sir.
Yes, you can ask. No problem. What's the doubt?
Sir, in the second question, you have asked the services of the wholesalers, sir. They have given 2, sir. Manufacturers and the retailers. So what we have to write, sir?
You can write 50-50. Some points from manufacturers, some points from wholesalers, like that. If the question is like that, total 4 or 5 points, maximum 6 points enough.
Yes,
3,
sir.
3 from wholesaler, 3 from manufacturer. Okay, then
Yes, sir.
it's okay. What is a journal entry? Think about the modern approach. You will get the journal entry very easily. So when we are making payment to a creditor, creditor is a liability. Creditor account. Name is given. So what you have to do? Write the name. Ragesh. In bracket you can write creditor.
Vika.
Just like in our previous class. A in brackets under debtors, B in brackets under creditors. So Ragesh in bracket creditor account debit to bank. Why we are crediting bank? Money is going from bank. So why you are debiting? Yes, correct only.
Bank.
Yes, why we are debiting Ragesh? Ragesh is a liability. Creditor is a liability. Liability is when we are making payment. Liability is increasing or decreasing? When we are making payment. Suppose you have to pay 2 lakh rupees to school, that's a liability. When you are paying 50,000, your liability is increasing or decreasing, children?
Increasing.
Increasing.
Suppose you have to pay 2 lakh rupees to SKV school, and when you are paying 50,000, your liability is increasing again or decreasing?
Decreasing, sir.
Decreasing. So decrease, it's a symbol down arrow. Decrease in liability. First 4 alphabet and dot. Then why you are crediting bank? Decrease in assets.
Bank balance is decreasing.
Okay, according to traditional
Bank
approach,
balance.
Ragesh is a person. All liabilities as per modern approach is which account in traditional approach. Another objective question. See, when you are able to crack this kind of objective question, it means that you are the brightest student in the world. Simply learning and practice some problem. Okay, that's okay. To learn in an analytical way so that you don't want to buy heart. Once again, all liabilities as per modern approach is personal account in traditional approach. If you are writing, you can write all liabilities as per modern approach is dash account in as per traditional approach. Answer personal. You are writing, I will give time. Are you writing?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
The 3 objective questions we learned. All liabilities as per modern approach. All liabilities as per modern approach is dash accounts as per traditional approach. So today we learned 3 objective questions. What was the first objective question?
Increase in drawings means decrease in capital.
Okay.
All the assets as per modern approach or real account in traditional approach, except sundry debtors and prepaid expense. All liabilities as per modern approach is dash as per traditional approach, personal account.
Yes, correct. So what general entry, what reason you will discuss here in the traditional approach?
Debit the receiver,
Hmm.
credit the giver, sir.
Bank account. Credit what goes out, right? British approach. Credit what?
Yes.
Okay, children,
Goes out.
you can come at 1 o'clock. Have a great day ahead. Bye.
Thank you, sir.